Hi there. Today I'm going to be working on a cherry bowl. I had gotten some cherry wood, beautiful, beautiful cherry wood, and I want to make a live edge bowl to give as a gift to the person who I got the cherry wood from. So I'm going to see what I can do. Hopefully it comes out in a shape that is pleasing. I've been away for a few weeks and I haven't had a chance to turn in about a month, so I'm really anxious to get started again. Okay, let's see what we can do. So this is the beautiful piece here, and I'm hoping it can give a really nice bowl. I'd like to try to keep it a live edge bowl, so that means that bark is going to stay on. What I would really like to do, which I'm not sure if I'm experienced enough to do it, I'd like to make this edge very thin, just almost like a delicate edge of the wood along the top right here. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully it comes out the way it is in my head. Sometimes the wood doesn't want to cooperate with me, and what I think is going to happen in my head does not happen when it comes to real life. So let's get going.
You want to make the bottom slightly concave so that it doesn't wobble when it sits on the table. What I'm doing here is I'm measuring the groove that's been cut to sit in the chuck. It's got to be a slightly inward angle, and then the top part of the chuck has to sit on a flat surface. So I carved out a old-fashioned chisel to the exact shape that the chuck has to sit in there, and I can monitor and make sure that I've gotten this perfect. Now going through the sanding process, I will start with an 80 grit, then go to a 200 grit, 400 grit, and finally 600. Using a drill to sand a bowl with an uneven edge at the top is a good idea because it's very, very easy to catch your hand on a high point of the bowl. One of the things I learned from experience, haha. As you can see, the higher the grit is on the sandpaper, the more bit of a shine you get on the wood naturally before even putting a sealant on it. You have to have a dull finish on the object in order for the next coat of polyacrylic to adhere to it. Sanding with 600 grit sandpaper in between each coat of polyacrylic. I will do a total of 5 sandings and 5 coats of polyacrylic.